Hi, my name is Alina, I'm from Ukraine. Because of war in my country, I spent a lot of time in the village and made some videos. But now I'm in Kyiv. It's not very safe to be here, but I'm so happy to be home and hope you enjoy my cooking videos from this kitchen. Today I want to prepare my favorite desserts that everyone loves, even those who don't like sweets. Very light, tender, creamy and crispy. I made it probably more than 20 times. Firstly, eggs. You only need whites. This is soft foam. And now I can get vanilla sugar and regular sugar lately. And now I can add sugar powder. You have to wipe the meringue very well. A good way to check its readiness. And now some almond. The cake was prepared for 40 minutes, it must cool completely. This side of the cake should be dry, but inside it is very soft and tender. And now, very simply and delicious cream cheese. You can use only this cream cheese, but I love version with mascarpone cheese, vanilla sugar and a little sour cream or yogurt for a smoother consistency. I don't add sugar because the meringue is sweet enough. Some fruits and berries should be added inside the cake. You can use any, but I think this is the best filling. Strawberries, bananas, I have some yellow or gold kiwi, and blueberries. It looks like potatoes. And strawberries. The best smell. Very important not to press too hard, because this cake is very tender. It's so good. You just need to try this.